Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a classic dish that's perfect for any meal, meatloaf. So, let's dive right in and explore this delicious dish together. Meatloaf is a versatile and satisfying meal that can be made with a variety of ground meats, such as beef, pork, or even a combination of both. It's a great way to use up leftover ground meat and create a hearty, comforting dish. To make our meatloaf, we'll need ground meat, an egg, herbs, onion, and garlic. The egg helps bind the meat together, while the herbs, onion, and garlic add flavor and aroma. First, combine the ground meat with the egg in a large mixing bowl. Next, add your herbs, onion, and garlic. I like to use a mixture of parsley, thyme, and rosemary for a well-rounded flavor. Feel free to adjust the herbs to your liking. Once the ingredients are mixed together, form the meatloaf into a loaf shape and place it in a baking dish. Bake the meatloaf in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. To make the sauce, simply combine ketchup, brown sugar, and a splash of Worcestershire sauce in a small bowl. Brush the sauce onto the meatloaf during the last 15 minutes of cooking time. This will give the meatloaf a beautiful glaze and add a touch of sweetness. And there you have it, a delicious meatloaf that's perfect for any meal. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!